My turn? Today we are going to build or redesign our ramp. Currently, this ramp here has been good. It sends the RCs flying in the air, but the problem is it's a little bit too steep. Now, it is a 45-degree angle. I want to keep that 45-degree angle, but what I want to cut down on is how sharp it goes up into that 45-degree angle. What I didn't notice, Braxton, here, you want to hold this
What?
tape? Hold this tape at this end of the board. Right here, that piece.
Okay.
There you go. Hold it right here on the end there. Right there, so that metal's up against. So right now we're about 41 inches. I want to extend it out to 4 foot, so about 7 more inches. Figure with that extra, we'll be able to gradually go up to that 45-degree angle.
Yeah, and Monty Gator.
So, and Monty Gator, is he going to help today?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
It's a flash.
Monty Gator needs to wear a helmet, apparently. I had a 4-foot ramp that was very similar to that 6-foot ramp. This is the problem I was running into with the ramp and why I want to extend it out a little bit more and gradually go into the ramp. It's because when you hit the ramp at full speed with the RCs, they just bottom out and you just lose a ton of speed and give you a little bit of instability in the air because, you know, this basically the suspension goes to infinite, completely compresses here and then unloads and it sends them flying every which way. So I want to gradually increase it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the old ramp face and I'm going to cut it in half because I'm going to do a 2-foot by 4-foot ramp. This is 4-foot by 4-foot square right now. I'm just going to do a 2-foot by 4-foot and then I'm just going to double these up because it's only, I think, like 1/4 inch or 3/16. I'm not sure how thick it is, but it definitely needs to be doubled up. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this in half and then we'll get the basic, cut it in half, and then I'm going to cut it diagonally so we can get our basic design started. 2 is half of 4. So right here, 2 foot. We're going to make a little mark here. 2 foot, yep, 2 foot. And then let's do it over here. Okay. Now, let's flip this around. I should have done this in the first place. Watch your face. Okay, this is a chalk line. We're going to just make a straight line across here. We need you to hold it on tight, make it line up right in the middle. And then I'll snap it. Boop. And I'll see. That's alright.
Oh yeah, we'll still find the line.
Remember, always measure once, cut 3 times, so you get it right.
Wait.
Alright. Yeah, you just gotta watch your fingers. Let's see how this goes.
How right here?
Hold it on the blade. All right, 2 semi-straight cuts, or 2 semi-similar pieces, I should say. We're gonna put a couple screws up here and a couple screws on this side. See how we doubled them up to make them extra thick. That way it gives our sides a little bit more rigidity. But I'm just gonna go grab some screws, screw these panels together, and then we're gonna make a diagonal line from here to there, and then we're just gonna cut that. All right, we're gonna glue the boards together. So all you gotta do is make a big sloppy mess of glue. Keep squeezing the trigger till glue comes out. Hold on, let's spin this around. Right there. Keep squeezing it till glue comes out and then spread it all over that board. Now squeeze again. Let it go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Ah, it's coming. Is it stuck? No, man. Squeeze. Keep squeezing. You got something coming out of there. Here, you want me to get it started for you? Here. All right, what's going on here? Oh, I bent the handle. Holy cow. I think there's stuff stuck in there. All right, let's take a break real quick.
Okay.
All right, that other one was old. This one kind of works. There you go. Yeah, just glue it up. Spell your name if you have to. Doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be on there. Well, that definitely didn't go how... I didn't go how we wanted it to, did it? So I ended up cutting the top off the bottle and just smearing it all around. That's probably way more glue than we need, but that's all the glue we had. So now at least the liquid nails won't be a pain for anybody else anymore. So now I'm just going to slap that piece onto there, put a couple screws in it, cut it at an angle. All right, so I just need you to put a screw here.
Right here?
Down a little bit.
There?
Okay, now remember, you want to start it first. Oh, not as easy as you thought, was it? Oh, not so much power, dude. Here. Oh, watch my fingers. All right, push down on, once you get it in there, and then you want to push down on it. Okay, push. Oh, there it started. Okay, now it started. Now you just got to hold it on there straight. It's in there, you just got to push down on it. Doesn't matter how straight it is now, it'll be fine. You're getting it. It's going. So it's not about full speed. It's about holding that on there tight. So here, get it on there. Here, I'm helping. Good. Just like that. All right, and then
Right
probably
here?
put another one up here. Wait, remember, that's going to go into the table. Hold on. Hold on. All right, the screws I had were just a little bit too long, but got a nice clear chalk line. Gonna now cut these into triangles, and then I'll remove the screws and we'll start to design a shape on here. All right, so we're gonna cut. All right, so we got a 45-degree angle there. All I need you to do, Dawson, is hold that down.
Hold what? This?
Just hold it down flat against, or I'll hold it down and you just draw a line.
Okay. Ow.
Just draw a line that goes straight down there. All right, try and make it straight. Got a bunch of bumps in there. There we go. All right, now we need to get something that bends and go from here down to there so we can work out the shape. Again, we want it to be nice and smooth to transition up, right? Okay, let's do that. All right, piece of PVC pipe. What do you think, dude? Is that gonna work? Mm-hmm. Go to the moon, to the parts store. I'll have to get new pieces because they're gonna break. Now we're gonna get out the old jigsaw and let Dawson get his feet wet on the old jigsaw. When you're cutting, that locks it. Push that in, you can't start it. You want to unlock it, push that, squeeze the trigger. Don't ever put your hand in front of it. Don't cut like this. Always cut like this. Okay? Good. Pretty good. Gonna lock it. Line it up. You want to line this up with this line. I'll get started. And then you just watch me over here.
No, I got this.
It's in my hand. And then if you stop, you don't start up against. You always want to start a little bit back. That way it gets it started so that it can go. Okay? Got it?
I
Come on.
got shoot.
I'm going to lock it. Get comfortable position. That wasn't close. Alright, so I just took and marked where I'm going to put my boards so it'll make it easier to put them together. I saw you were testing out the other ramp. Let me see how that one goes.
No.
So we have a comparison to the new one. You're going to send it. Let's see it. Go, 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 go. Nope. And go. Alright, so that's how that one went. We're going to see how this one goes. So yeah, I just marked them, both sides. So it'll just make it easier to put it together. I'm probably gonna put another board somewhere in there. We'll see how stable and sturdy it is, but yeah, let's get assembling. All right, so there is the completed project there. You can see it's not as steep of an approach. It still has that same angle at the top. So it's still going to send them as high and as far. It's just hopefully it sends them a little bit further because, you know, it's less harsh. I'm going to bring out some big trucks and see what happens. See if they bottom out. With her? All right, which ramp are you going off of? Oh, you're good. Oh! Try the other ramp, dude. You like that pole for some reason. All right, dude. So what did we notice about our ramp? Which one is it seems to go farther on?
What?
I think the new ramp sends it a little bit farther. What about yourself?
The new one?
Yeah, looks like the new one is definitely a farther flying ramp. The old one's more of a higher sending ramp. So I think we did a good job. What do you think, dude?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
Now the sledge?
Now I'll have to see if
The sled.
now I'll have to see if the ramps hold up. That's the next thing we gotta see, is how long they can hold up to everybody else's abuse. But good job, dude. Thanks for helping.
What about the sledge?
So we're gonna go do some more ripping and then get this thing out for some actual fun here. It's a little chilly today.